What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to take some time to do a quick status update on where I'm at, what I'm doing, where we're going basically. I know I haven't posted in about 2 weeks or so.
Shame. 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 Shame.
The main reason for that is I've been working on a mini side project that I plan on turning into a tutorial. It is actually a follow-up video to my most recent video talking about the future of React Native UI. If you haven't seen that, I'll go ahead and link the video in the description, and then I'll also link it here at the top as well. It's actually a follow-up video to using the library React Native Reusable. So again, if you haven't checked it out, feel free to check it out, because this entire project is basically built using those components. So the mini project that I'm working on right now is a link manager. So yeah, I just wanted to provide a status update on what I've been doing. With that said, let's go ahead and dive into my computer and show you what I've been working on. So here is the project that I've been working on. Basically, a quick rundown on how this works and what it is. It's basically a link manager. So one of the problems that I'm currently facing is I have all these links spread out across all these different applications, from my my personal message thread, and then Slack organizations where I just message myself directly. So what I did is I basically built a link manager to help me organize all of my links all in one place, and it's categorized based on industry. So if we have food, then all the links related to food will automatically get categorized under the food section. Same thing with technology, so anything related to technology is all categorized based on the technology category. So I do plan on adding tags so that we can narrow down a search. I don't have a search bar here just yet, but I plan on adding one in there, and those tags are going to help us narrow down different topics or links that I specifically am looking for in the technology section. So again, as I mentioned in the beginning, this entire application was built using React Native Reusable, which has definitely helped me expedite development. But again, this project has taken me a little bit longer than expected, just because I've only been able to have like minimal time, but I think it's perfectly fine. So if I kind of test out one of these links, the link itself does point to the article directly, which is great. And then I also do have light and dark mode, and again, that's all given straight out of the box with React Native Reusable. So let me go ahead and grab a link really quick, and then I'll go ahead and demo what that looks like in Supabase. So let's go ahead and grab a link or paste the link in here and see how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and well, before I hit the add button, let's verify our Supabase instance. So clearly we have 4 items in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 items in here. This is still not working as expected, but it's a good rough draft on like where I'm at with it. So we can see right now we have currently 4 links. If I show you what some of the data looks like, we have a title, a description, a domain. Duration is just how long it took for us to actually pull that data and put it in the database. We also have favicon, an array of images, the domain name, and the time it was created. So let's go ahead and get that added. And then we'll switch back over to Supabase, and you can see here it was automatically added. So if I switch back over to the home screen, we don't have that doing any like live updates or whatnot, but I plan on adding that in the future. Right now it's just mainly getting the backend to connect properly to the database, which I was able to get working last night. So yeah, I just want to kind of do a quick demo on where I'm at, and if you guys have any questions, feel free comment and let me know if there's anything you guys would like to see or improve, or if you'd like me to add anything.